Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the auto scroll down problem in Windows 11. If your screen keeps scrolling down automatically without touching anything, don't worry. This tutorial is very easy and perfect for beginners. Let's start with the first and most common fix. First, check your mouse. A faulty mouse scroll wheel is the #1 reason for this problem. Disconnect your mouse from the computer. If you are using a wired mouse, unplug it. If you are using a wireless mouse, turn it off or remove the USB receiver. Now, wait for a few seconds and see if the auto-scrolling stops. If it stops, that means your mouse is the problem. Try cleaning the scroll wheel or use a different mouse. Now let's move to the next fix. If you are using a laptop, your touchpad may be causing the issue. Click on the Start button. Now click on Settings. Next, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now select Touchpad. Here, turn off the touchpad toggle. If the scrolling stops, your touchpad settings are the issue. You can turn it back on and adjust the sensitivity later. Now let's try another easy solution. Click on the Start button and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Now click on Mouse. A small window will open. Go to the Wheel tab. Here, reduce the number of lines to scroll at a time. Click Apply, then click OK. Now check if the auto-scroll problem is fixed. Next fix is updating mouse drivers. Right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. Now find Mice and Other Pointing Devices and expand it. Right-click on your mouse and click on Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers. Let Windows update the driver if available. Now restart your computer. If the problem still continues, try one last thing. Disconnect all extra devices like controllers, drawing tablets, or extra keyboards. Sometimes these devices send unwanted scroll signals. After disconnecting them, restart your PC again. And that's it. This is how you fix the auto scroll down problem in Windows 11 even if you have zero knowledge about computers. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.